Hello students, welcome back in EVS class. Children, today we are going to learn chapter 7, My Home. In that we are going to learn a houseboat and a snow house means igloo. IGLOO. A houseboat and a snow house. Children, you know already tents are temporary shelter, while huts are small and temporary houses. Children, you are observing tents are temporary, they are not permanent. तात्पुरत्या स्वरूपाचे we can say in Marathi. And huts you are observing children, picture of hut. They are small and they are also temporary house. Children, see means we can carry tents from one place to another place. So it is temporary shelter. Children, chals, buildings, skyscraper and bungalows are big and permanent houses. See children, you are observing picture of chal. This is a big and permanent house. Now children, see the next picture. Next picture is building. Now children, see the picture of building. Buildings also big and permanent houses. Children, now next picture you observe skyscraper means very tall building. This also permanent house. Now next one bungalow. This is also big and permanent house. Now children, temporary shelters, in that tents and huts are temporary shelters. Now permanent houses, chals, buildings, skyscraper and bungalows are permanent houses. Besides, some people live in houseboat. Children, you are observing the picture of houseboat. They are live on houseboat on water. Downside water is there. See children, the picture of houseboat. Some people live in houseboat. While some people live in snow house called the igloos. 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 It is built from blocks of hard snow. Snow means barf, we can say in Marathi. It is igloos. Children, observe the picture of igloo. We find igloos in very cold area. It is made of blocks of hard snow. Now you understood the word snow. SNOW means barf. Children, now you seen that houseboat and snow house. Now children, these are for also the examples of snow house, igloo. You are observing different types of igloos in this picture. Some of us stay in big houses while some stay in small houses. Children, some people live in big house, some people live in the small house. Whether the house is big or small, we use the space according to our needs. We use space according to our needs. Now children, it's time to revise the difficult words means spellings. First here, house boat, HOUSEBOAT, house boat. Second, snow house, SNOWHOUSE, snow house means here igloo, IGLOO, igloo. Snow house means igloo. Now children, next word snow, SNOW, snow means barf. Utilize, UTILIZE, utilize means use. Now children, it's time of homework. Today's homework, learn spelling and write in the notebook one time. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.